Pahalgam terror attack, an afternoon that turned into one of the most chilling civilian massacres in Jammu and Kashmir. 26 people were identified based on their religion, targeted and mercilessly killed. 1 year later, the gunmen are dead, eliminated in Operation Mahadev. And as we remember those innocents, some leaders in our country have triggered a fresh political face-off yet again. The Congress has targeted Modi government yet again. So there is unabated politics on the Pahalgam attack. There are controversial remarks coming in from a Congress neta who says terror attacks for polls. Once again, linking terror attacks to elections. Congress neta says BJP uses attacks for polls. Such attacks only when BJP is in power.
All the terrorists, what terrorists have they finished? Have the Pahalgam terrorists been finished? What all this chest thumping and saying we will do. Yeah, no one's impressed by all this nonsense. Tell them to first knuckle down. Now they have finished off the election commission also. Because now this man has come out and said it. Last time he uploaded video of what was happening in the Lok Sabha Speaker's chamber. At that time also I said this is a minister for unparliamentary affairs. He should resign. If this government has any sense, they'll make sure. What are they doing to this country? Shame on them.
Let's go across to my colleague Sahil Sohail joining us on the broadcast. It's been a year, but the opposition still questioning, still doubting the intent.
Well, exactly. We had seen following this brutal Pahalgam terror attack, domestic politics on the issue, in fact, opposition raising questions, in fact, calling it an intelligence failure, and in fact, raising certain questions on this particular terror attack, and in fact, again, on security forces as well. But as a matter of fact is that there were coordinated cordon and search operations, anti-terror operations initiated across Kashmir Valley after this brutal terror attack, and a result of which just 93 days after Pahalgam terror attack, the attackers were tracked down in Dashigam forests and in fact eliminated under Operation Mahadev. We have also seen security forces busting terror networks, in fact conducting several anti-terror operations in Tral, in South Kashmir, Shupaiya, following this Pahalgam terror attack, and as well as Operation Sindoor, the important one, where in fact just after few days of this Pahalgam terror attack, the Indian armed forces basically hit and targeted 9 terror bases in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, and in fact damaging the terror infrastructure, killing more than 100 terrorists in POK and Pakistan. And that was a success of Operation Sindoor, and that was how the Indian armed forces basically avenged the Pahalgam brutal terror attack. So opposition has been in fact raising questions, and this year as well, on the first anniversary of this Pahalgam Baisaran terror attack, opposition, particularly Congress Party, raising questions, again calling it intelligence failure, and in fact trying to basically suggest that after this attack and after Operation Sindoor, the enemy country has got prominence. But fact of the matter is, and what really on ground had changed after Pahalgam terror attack, is that tourism is back in Kashmir Valley, particularly in Pahalgam. More than 8 lakh tourists have visited Pahalgam itself after Pahalgam terror attack, and in just last 2 months the number has in fact gone up. Just around 1,60,000 tourist arrivals recorded in Pahalgam. Security has been beefed up. Number of measures stand taken by the security administration in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Kashmir Valley. The service providers basically in fact provided unique QR-based codes that help tourists to check the authenticity of the service provider, and in fact rule out any possibility of any harm.
Well, stay on with us. We have Shehzad Poonawalla joining us on the broadcast. It's been a year, Shehzad, but the questions continue. The opposition linking the attacks to elections.
सेना का करो अपमान, पाकिस्तान के आतंकी को बताओ भाईजान, यही कांग्रेस की पहचान। रेणुका चौधरी का आपने अभी बयान दिखाया. This is the same Renuka Chaudhary who doubted Operation Mahadev. They have questioned Operation Sindoor, called it failure, chutput. They have given clean chit to terrorists of Pakistan from 26/11 to Samjhauta to Pahalgam. And now I have shown the tweet of Udit Raj also. You read the tweet of Udit Raj. He has said, where did the terrorists come from? सो पूरी दुनिया को पता है पाकिस्तान ने आतंकवादी भेजे, कांग्रेस पार्टी उनको क्लीन चिट दे रही है। एंड स्वाति, इट हैज कम वन डे आफ्टर मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे हैज कॉल्ड प्राइम मिनिस्टर टेररिस्ट। तो सोचिए, पहलगाम की बरसी पर दे गिव क्लीन चिट टू द टेररिस्ट एंड दे कॉल ओबीसी प्राइम मिनिस्टर एज टेररिस्ट। सो द एजेंडा इज क्लियर। यू अब्यूज द नेशनलिस्ट, अब्यूज द सेना, अब्यूज संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे हुए व्यक्ति एंड गिव क्लीन चिट टू पाकिस्तान। यही इनकी पहचान है।
All right, Shahzad Poonawalla, thank you for speaking with us. So that's BJP hitting out at the Congress, at Renuka Chaudhary for controversial remark linking terror attacks to elections in this country. Sohail continues to be with us on the broadcast. Sohail, first they doubted Operation Sindoor and then Operation Mahadev as well.
Yes, exactly. So, just minutes after this Pahalgam terror attack, security forces were very clear that they have to hunt and track down all 3 terrorists who were responsible for targeting 25 tourists and a local resident who tried to save tourists who tried to confront the terrorists. So, coordinated search operations were initiated across Kashmir Valley, particularly in forest areas around Baisaran Valley, and there were 2 successful operations following the Pahalgam terror attack. One in Tral, where 3 in fact terrorists were killed, and then in Shupaiya, again in that operation 3 local terrorists were killed, and that led to basically security forces to Operation Mahadev, where 3 Pakistani Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists responsible for
but there is no end. There is no end to these controversial statements. There's another one coming in from Congress SC Department Chief Rajendra Pal Gautam, who has made another remark, a controversial one, on Pahalgam anniversary.
इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर है ही ये भारत सरकार का, और हमारी इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर है। और अगर इंटेलिजेंस ने अगर पहले सूचना दी थी तो फिर सरकार का फेलियर है, सरकार ने कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं की?
लेकिन आपको लगता है कि सर कहीं ना कहीं जो है हमारे सरकार की तरफ से जो जिस तरीके से इस पे कार्यवाही हुई है उसमें भी कहीं चूक हुई है?
कार्रवाई तो सरकार की तरफ से हुई नहीं है जो होनी चाहिए थी, और वो इसलिए हुई कि जो जिस पार्टी की सरकार केंद्र में है वो पार्टी केवल चुनाव लड़ने, चुनाव जीतने, चुनाव मैनेज करने, उनका पूरा ताकत, पूरा पैसा, पूरा धन बल, बाहुबल, सब कुछ केवल चुनाव तक सीमित रहता।
Sohail continues to be with us. Sohail, this is what we were discussing, that every single time Operation Sindoor is talked about, or Operation Mahadev is talked about, or Pahalgam attack is mentioned, the opposition says intel failure. The opposition says this happens only when BJP is in power. Forgets completely about the attacks, forgets that 26 people lost their lives.
Well, in fact, matter of the fact is that intelligence doesn't come out basically in public and basically say how many terror attempts, terror attacks they file timely. So that's a 24/7 work that remains, in fact, is being done by the intelligence, and there are multiple intelligence inputs coming in, being scanned, and in fact, action is being taken. So, but all these details doesn't come into public domain because of the sensitivities that are involved. But when it comes to Pahalgam Baisaran terror attack, the security forces were basically in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Kashmir, it's a round-the-clock affair that security agencies continue to work on leads and
Absolutely. In fact,
intelligence
as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, every single day there was a press briefing talking about the progress made, talking about the damage done, talking about the attacks and how the terror hubs were targeted. It was all in public domain, the press conferences that were done by our defense personnel. Yet the doubt, yet the questions non-stop. Controversial remarks are still being made a year later. Thank you very much, Sahil, for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.